Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change the temperature reading of your Hisense AC from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and the process is quite simple. So basically it is currently on Celsius as you can see from over here, and to change it to Fahrenheit you want to long press on the mode button and the temperature down button for about 3 seconds. So we're going to do that together. Just hold the mode button and the temperature down button for 3 seconds, and it is also going to reflect on the Hisense AC display. This actually works on any Hisense AC, by the way. So I'll press and hold just like so, give it a couple of seconds, and as you can see it has actually reflected on my Hisense AC, and then it has also reflected on the remote control as well. Now to set it back to Celsius, you want to go ahead and do the same thing. So long press on the mode button and the temperature down button together, just press and hold, and it should automatically go back to Celsius as you can see from over here and also from the remote control. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.